we're looking at some additional strategies for 2019 and to put in the portfolios. Here's SR counter trend 2 euro 1 minute. We've looked at that before, and you see the results. Really like these results, especially from this time frame forward in 2016. And so if you're looking for a counter trend euro strategy, average trade profit is a little small. Periodical returns show at about $100 average trade profit in 2018 and about $100 average trade profit in 2016. While it's only about it's about what, $50 average trade profit in 2017. So it's one to consider and see how it works with your other strategies. It's a low frequency strategy, SR counter trend 2 euro. Here is a bond strategy. It takes long and short trades on the bond. Most recently, the short trades work better, and most historically, the long trades work better, as you might imagine, based on the trend in bonds and interest rates. And here are the results. $130 average trade profit, and the drawdown is what it is in bonds, and the long and short side are pretty balanced as far as net profit. The average trade profit is bigger in the long term on the long side than the short side, but in the short term, if you move the history in the last couple of years, the short side has nice average trade profits as well. And so let's take a look at this NASDAQ strategy. This used to be a DAX strategy, and nice profit factor. It's a day trade strategy. Here it is. I started watching it in this time frame, and I wasn't trading it, and it had a huge October. It's a momentum strategy, as you might imagine, would do very well in October, and these are the results. A volume reversal strategy uses your volume someday. It holds into the overnight. This one is long only, and nice average trade profit. 71% profit, 1.82 profit factor. And here's the equity curve. So I really like this strategy, and I don't like to hold overnight. I don't like to hold past this period, but might be worth it. Taking a look at that. What else do we have? We have ADD pop, and it looks at the advanced decline line. It is long only. Here are the results. These are strategies that we've developed recently or pulled up from the past and have been watching and are now considering adding at the right time into the portfolio. And most of them are NQ strategies, and we have a bond and a euro strategy. So that's ADD pop on the NQ. NQ has a nice average daily dollar ranges for day traders. To manage your risk on those, though, this is an overnight strategy on the ES. So actually, it's 3 NQ and 1 ES, not 4 NQ, and it initiates trades around midnight. And so we're just looking at this. It is long only as well. And the average trade profit is nice. Percentage of profitability is nice. It's kind of rolled over here, as you might imagine a long only strategy would do in a 10% plus pullback in the market. And so if the market's long only, if the market's in a strong uptrend and it makes moves at night, I know that maybe if you have a day trade strategy and you think, wow, up 20 points overnight, I missed the move, we look to capture those as well. So, if you start trading after this session right here and hold positions overnight, the market's open, and so you don't really have that overnight risk. But this does hold it more than one day at times, and so you still, initially you may not have that risk, but over several days you could have that risk. So these are some of the new strategies we're looking at, like the average trade profits, like the potential in those. I'll put those in the portfolio calculator, and we'll go over those again. Let me know if you have any questions or if one of those stands out in particular to you, and I'll get you more details on that.